Hey! So as I talked about in my last video, I've been getting into a bit of rock climbing, and so I thought to become a bit more of a pro and look like I know what I was doing, I'd get a chalk bag. So I got this chalk bag, second hand, but it has a little problem. So I'll show you here. It's got a little thing so you can stop the chalk coming out. You pull on these strings and it seals up the top. 3D printed carabiner, by the way. But on here was this little thing. So it's a little thing that goes on there, you push the button and you can slide it so you can lock it closed. But it's broken. It doesn't work, which is why it's not on the bag. So it's meant to be like one of these. You push the button and it moves. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and 3D print one and see how that works out. I found a spring. So yeah, design one of these in SolidWorks, 3D print it, test it out, and hopefully my chalk bag will be fixed. So I've printed the parts. We've got this here is the button, and this here is the housing. So we've got the spring here, so spring goes down into there. The button goes in, and it twists just a little bit to lock it in there. And then it works. Hopefully you can see that there. So here is the chalk bag. So I'll put the cord through. And the other one, and we can push the button, move the cord. There we go. I can move it a little bit on the cord if I pull hard when I'm not pushing the button, but it's pretty good and it's better than nothing. And so I can hopefully do that and the chalk bag is closed up so my chalk won't fall out. So that looks like it has done the trick. And so that is my chalk bag, good as new with a little 3D printed clip. So chalk bag open and then chalk bag closed. Easy as that. Thanks for watching, hope you learned something.